Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen how we can access elements. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how we can update tuple. So in a first video where I have shown this how we can create tuple and discussed characteristics of tuple, I also mentioned that we can't actually create, we can't actually update tuple. Okay, but there is one way how we can update tuple. So for doing this, we need to first convert tuple into list, and then we will update that list and then convert that list to tuple. Okay. Now here I will convert tuple to list. So I'll write comment over here. Okay. And I will say B, or let's say convert underscore list equals to list function, and here I will write A, okay, which is our tuple. Now print, and I will say this is list, comma, convert list, and here I will write print this is tuple. Okay, now you will see the difference. So I'll just delete this terminal, and you can see this is our tuple which is in parenthesis, and this is our list which is in square bracket. Okay, so we can convert tuple into list. Now after converting this, I will update this list. Okay, now here I will say convert list. Okay, and in a position 1 I want to write, let's say, coconut. I already have coconut, so I will take let's say I'm writing car. Okay, car, and again I am printing this tuple, sorry, this list, updated list. Okay, and here I will write convert. Oops, I'm just copying this variable anyway. Okay, and now if I run this, then you can see it just replaced this banana with car at the first position. Okay, and it returned us list. Okay, so if I say let's append any element, so here what I'm going to do is I will just remove this. Okay, and here I will say append underscore item equals to, so we are going to use this syntax. Okay, so I will say convert, okay, dot append, and here I will write car. Okay, now I will print this list. Okay, what's wrong? I will remove this variable, and here I need to write car. Okay, it should run now. You can see it took it. Okay, so we have car. Now I will just convert a list to tuple. So convert list to tuple, and here I will create another variable which will be underscore 1, tuple underscore 1, and here I will write tuple. So we have tuple function to convert list to tuple. Okay, so here now I need to pass this variable, and here I will say print, and I will write one comment over here, our updated tuple. Okay, not our, I will just say updated tuple. Okay, and here I will do comma and write this variable name. So I will delete this terminal now and I will just run again. So here you can see we first wrote tuple, then converted that tuple to list, then we updated list and converted that list to tuple, and we finally have our updated tuple. So if tuple is not changeable, then you can perform this method to update the tuple. Okay, and if you have something static data, then you can directly write anything over here and it will be updated. Okay, so if you want to do with append method, then you need to perform this method, which is compulsory in order to update tuple. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see how we can join two tuples. Okay, so yeah, see you there. Thank you.